I don't think these are any good. What you wanted from 250? These just... What's up? How are you? Where'd you get them from? I don't think these are any good. Yeah, these... Yeah, these just... Everything about them just look real off. Yeah. I mean, I'll put them in an app just to be sure, but I'm like 99%. I'll put them just to see, but I'm 99% sure. Leaving the meetup because the results took forever to come back, but as you guys can see, not pass, which I already knew. That's why I left. And I didn't like waiting to hear a not pass result. So there you guys go. You guys better be careful. These don't even release until the end of the month, and there's already fakes circling around, which is crazy. And honestly, it wasn't that bad of a fake. It was like something, you know, you pick up on just by buying shoes every day, seeing shoes often. But to someone that doesn't really know much about shoes, these could have easily flew by. So guys, be careful.